Well, controversy that erupted over Abu Azmi's statement on Aurangzeb. He currently is speaking. Let's cross live.
कुछ नहीं है, ऐसा बोलेंगे तो कहते हैं कि एक राजा ने 99 भाइयों को मार दिया था। अभी नेपाल के राजा ने अपना राजकाज करने के लिए उसने अपने पूरे परिवार को मार दिया था। तो इस तरह की बहुत सारी चीजें इस बहस में मैं नहीं जाना चाहता हूँ।
इंग्लिश
नहीं, यही चीज है। इंग्लिश में नहीं देता मैं। बस ये हो गया। प्लीज 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 प्लीज
सर, मुझे स्टार्ट तो करने दीजिए इंग्लिश में।
Well, that is Abu Azmi of the Samajwadi Party. In a way, not clear apology that is coming in his way, but however, he seems to say that I take back my statement if anyone is hurt. I cannot imagine my life that I can give any statement against Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Then why so much ruckus over my statement? I take back my statement if anyone is hurt, and he wants the controversy to end.
ये कल आपने ये बोला था कि अच्छा राजा था, और अभी आप माफी मांग रहे हैं। और कल
मैंने उन हिस्टोरियन का जिसको पढ़ा, मैंने उसी हिस्टोरियन की बात को दोहराया। मैंने मेरी तरफ से कुछ नहीं बोला।
आप अभी क्या चाहते हैं? आपके ऊपर तो एफआईआर भी लॉन्च हुई है। आपको देश में रहने की ये नहीं है, ऐसे कह रहे हैं नरेश के।
सर 2 मिनट कहने दीजिए उनको। वो लोग सिर्फ राजनीति कर रहे हैं और कुछ नहीं।
आज हाउस भी एडजन हो गया है सर।
सब राजनीति है, सब राजनीति।
Thank you for connecting with us. This was Abu Azmi. He has apologized and he has taken his statement back regarding Aurangzeb. What exactly he mentioned yesterday, that Aurangzeb was a good leader and good king, and that has created a lot of stir. The House has also adjourned in today's Vidhan Sabha, but of course it has created stir. But what boils down now is that he has apologized. This is Srush Thakkar reporting for Times Network with video journalist Rajesh Khare, Mumbai.
So no clear apology. However, he does say that he's taking back his statement. His only aim was to say that he quoted from a historian who seems to be praising Aurangzeb, and he has just repeated that it wasn't his own statement. However, also saying that he wishes this controversy to end, because a lot of flack, criticism and outrage that triggered with him calling the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb as a good administrator. Even in the assembly, Maharashtra's Deputy CM Eknath Shinde dropped the comment and called for legal action against Abu Azmi of the Samajwadi Party. However, Abu Azmi, who's known for his controversial statements on sensitive issues, praised Aurangzeb, claiming that he was not a ruthless ruler. Let's get in a word from Nilesh now. Nilesh, no clear apology. However, he does say that I'm taking back my statement because he just quoted from a certain historian. It wasn't his own statement. Does it mean the controversy ends?
Well, it seems like it is not anytime soon to be ending because today itself the session has been called off. The opposition leaders and the sitting alliance partner in a one-of-a-kind protest have been coming together to condemn what Abu Azmi have been saying, and we have also spoken to the leaders in power who have said that it is not the apology that they are seeking, but the termination of his MLA seat is what will justify his act, because he has disrespected not the leaders, not the legacy, but also the great Maratha warriors who have given out us Swaraj like Maharashtra. Now, Nitish Rane step ahead speaks that Abu Azmi has a mindset of a jihadi, and the leader from the BJP, Parag Alwani, goes on stating that his mentality is somewhat being represented by his statement, and it is quite clear that the Samajwadi leaders have been long influenced by the Aurangzeb's ideology, and
so directly when Abu Azmi was confronted with the statements and of course the kind of outrage that his statements has created, he says, and he remains defiant, saying that he quoted from a certain historian. However, he says that he is ready to take back his statement if anybody's sentiments that have been heard. Let's take a look at this confrontation.
सर, जिस तरह आपने बयान दिया था, सर जिस तरह आपने बयान दिया था, अच्छा राजा है आपने कहा था, दो बातें।
मुझे कोई बवाल नहीं
सर,
मैडम, प्लीज 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 प्लीज।
जिस तरह का आपका बयान आया था, आपने कहा कि औरंगजेब अच्छा राजा था, क्या कहना चाहिए?
जो हिस्टोरियन ने बोला वही बोला मैंने।
सर, पर आपने अभी माफी मांगी है, आपने आपका स्टेटमेंट भी वापस लिया है, बट इससे कल आपने ये बोला था कि अच्छा राजा था, और अभी आप माफी मांग रहे हैं। और कल
मैंने उन हिस्टोरियन का जिसको पढ़ा, मैंने उसी हिस्टोरियन की बात को दोहराया। मैंने मेरी तरफ से कुछ नहीं बोला।
आप अभी क्या चाहते हैं? आपके ऊपर तो FIR भी लॉन्च हुई है, आपको देश में रहने की ये नहीं है, ऐसे कह रहे हैं नरेश मस्के।
सर 2 मिनट कहने दीजिए उनको, वो लोग सिर्फ राजनीति कर रहे हैं और कुछ नहीं।
आज हाउस भी एडजन हो गया है सर।
सब राजनीति है, सब राजनीति।
Well, Shrishti is with us right now. Direct confrontation that happened with Abu Azmi. He's calling it कि सब राजनीति है. Then why give such kind of controversial statements in the first place? Now, no clear apology. However, he does say that he's taking back his statement.